For thousands of years, humanity has gazed at the moon with wonder. That glowing object in the night sky has always sparked questions. What is it? How did it come to be? Could life ever exist there? The moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space, our natural satellite, always revolving around us. Its mystery has driven some of the greatest achievements in human history. In fact, the very first space mission to land humans beyond Earth, Apollo 11, took us straight to the moon, where Neil Armstrong became the first man to set foot on its surface. But this story isn't just about exploration, it's about turning the impossible into possible. After Mars, the moon is one of the few places that still offers us hope for survival beyond Earth. Visionaries like Elon Musk even imagine humanity living not only on Mars, but on the moon as well. That's why scientists continue to study it, sending mission after mission, searching for answers. So today, we'll dive deep into the complete story of the moon, from its fiery birth billions of years ago, to the possibility of humans one day building a new home there. Stay with me till the end, because this journey is going to be fascinating. I'm Jakor, and you're watching Hidden Realm Quest, the birth of the moon. Our story begins about 4.6 billion years ago, when the solar system was still young. Earth had just formed a massive, molten world orbiting the sun. Then came a cataclysm. Scientists believe that 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet, which they call Vega, collided with Earth at tremendous speed, nearly 10 kilometers per second. The impact was so violent that half of Earth's surface was blasted into space. Those scattered fragments of molten rock began orbiting Earth, slowly clumping together into a new celestial body, our moon. At that time, the moon was extremely close, just 22,000 kilometers away. To ancient eyes, it would have looked like a giant glowing orb hovering above Earth, still burning from its creation. Both Earth and the moon slowly cooled. Earth formed a solid crust. The moon's surface hardened. But then came a storm of destruction, the Late Heavy Bombardment. When asteroids and meteors rained down for millions of years, these impacts scarred the moon, leaving behind the dark plains we now call Maria. Meanwhile, Earth's bombardment brought something far more precious: water. Carried by comets and asteroids, water filled Earth's oceans, shaping the conditions for life itself. Fascinating facts about the moon shape. The moon looks round, but it's slightly egg-shaped. Just like Earth is not a perfect sphere. Distance. On average, it's 384,000 kilometers away. Walking nonstop would take 95 years. Driving would take 130 days, but a rocket can reach it in about 13 hours. Gravity, 1/6 of Earth's. If you weigh 100 kilograms on Earth, you'd weigh just 16.6 kilograms there. Size. The moon is 4 times smaller in diameter than Earth. About 50 moons could fit inside our planet. Compared to the sun, it's 400 times smaller, but also 400 times closer, which is why solar eclipses are possible. Eclipses. When the moon passes between Earth and the sun, we see a solar eclipse. When Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the moon, we see a lunar eclipse. Ancient cultures believed dragons or spirits were devouring the sun during eclipses. Rotation. The moon is tidally locked, always showing us the same face. Its far side, often called the dark side, remained hidden until space missions revealed it. Atmosphere. The moon has almost no atmosphere. There's no wind, no twilight. Astronauts' footprints remain untouched for millions of years. Lunar soil even smells like burnt gunpowder. Temperature daytime plus 120 degrees Celsius, hot enough to boil water. Nighttime minus 130 degrees Celsius, colder than ice. Missions to the moon. The race to the moon began with the Soviet Union. Luna 1 1959 was the first flyby mission. Luna 2 became the first spacecraft to crash on the moon. Luna 9 achieved the first soft landing. The Soviets even sent robotic rovers. But the biggest milestone came in 1969, when NASA's Apollo 11 mission carried humans to the moon. Only 12 astronauts have ever walked on its surface. One of them, Alan Shepard, famously played golf. There the ball is still lying somewhere on the lunar soil. Can humans live on the moon? The moon is harsh, deadly radiation, no breathable air, extreme temperatures. But with technology, lunar bases could become reality. Space visionaries like Elon Musk believe that Mars will be humanity's first colony, but the moon might not be far behind. NASA's Artemis program is already preparing to return astronauts to the moon, paving the way for long-term human presence. Conclusion. From a fiery birth out of a cosmic collision, to a future where humans might one day call it home, the moon has always been a part of our story. So friends, this was the complete journey of the moon. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a like. Research and editing take a lot of effort, so your support means the world. And if you love exploring science and history, make sure to subscribe to Hidden Realm Quest so we can keep this journey going together.